Hey, what's up guys? This is the video for this Garrett AT Max. We are live. 509. Got the list here. We got 38 entries. Mark on the top and Matthew on the bottom. We need 2 dice, 5 or higher. We got 8 times at 509. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Gone 7 times. You got David on the top. You must go 8. Good luck at 510. 510. Last and final roll. Top spot gets this AT Max. Congratulations goes to spot 8, Bob. Congratulations, Bob. We are done at 510. 510. Congratulations again, Bob. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Take care.